In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1password to autofill passwords on iPhone and iPad. If you've been struggling with managing your myriad of passwords, or you're simply tired of typing them in manually, this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly navigate your digital world with the help of 1password, making your online interactions seamless and secure. First, before you even begin setting up 1password on your mobile devices, ensure that you've got 1password downloaded on your computer as a starting point. Head to the 1password website, where you'll find a plethora of download options. Here, you're looking for the dedicated apps for your mobile device, which in this case is iOS for your iPhone or iPad. Let's navigate over to the Resources section, an often overlooked area packed with useful tools and links. With a straightforward click on Resources, you'll unveil a treasure trove of available downloads. Under this section, you'll see a Downloads tab. Select it. Now here's where it gets a bit more specific. Look for the link dedicated to iOS or Android. Click on that. Even though our focus here is on the iOS version for iPhones and iPads, the beauty of 1password lies in its seamless integration and functionality across platforms. So, once you've ensured that 1password is installed on your desktop, shift your attention over to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Install or update your 1password app to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Now, with the app ready to go on your mobile device, let's enable Autofill. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down until you see Passwords and tap that. Next, click on Autofill Passwords. Here, you need to ensure 1password is selected. This is crucial. It allows 1password to communicate with the iOS system and populate those pesky login fields. With that setup complete, jump back over to the 1password app. Enter your master password, the cornerstone of your password security. If you've never set up 1password before, follow the simple prompts to create your secure master password and begin adding your accounts. For returning users, make sure all your account information is up to date. Now, whenever you need to log in to your favorite websites or apps, simply click on the username or password field, and you'll see 1password come to the rescue with a suggestion of accounts to autofill. With a simple tap, your login credentials are filled in, saving you time and keeping you secure. So, there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've enabled a powerful tool to help manage your digital life. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with securely stored and easily accessible passwords.